Hey, Kara. So here's what we're starting with. This is what you got from part A, and that looks really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to distribute. I'm going to multiply 7 over 4 by each of these two terms. So the first term is going to be 7 over 4x. I'm just copying down this y minus 4 again. And then over here, we multiply the denominator. So 7 times 7 is 49 over 4. You could think of this as a fraction too. Call it 7 over 1. That's fine as well. But we get 49 over 4. Then, because we're kind of doing this in general form, you could do two things here. You could move all of this stuff over, which is probably more direct than what I should have done. So subtract 7x over 4, bring that over, subtract 49 over 4, get everything over there. I did it the other way because honestly I thought we were trying to get to like y equals mx plus b. Didn't even read the question. But anyway, you're going to have to do this step anyway. So what I did was I added 4 to both sides, brought the 4 over. But remember, we have to add fractions. This is a 4 over 1, so I have to have common denominators there. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by 4 because I want a fraction over 4. That gives me 16 over 4. And 16 divided by 4 equals 4. So now I can add the numerators. 49 plus 16 is 65. That's still all over 4. And then I kind of just moved all of that mess over. So basically I subtracted 7x over 4 to bring that over. I subtracted 65 over 4, and I got this. Negative 7/4 x plus y minus 65 over 4 equals 0. Then, because it's in general form, I mean, this is technically correct, but in math, we usually, if we have common denominators like this, we'll multiply by such a number to get rid of them. And because I have a negative leading term here, I'm going to multiply that by a negative as well. I know it's picky, but remember general form is ax, so it's not a negative, really. We try to make it positive if we can. So I'm going to multiply this whole side by negative 4. So negative 4, pardon me, divide by 4 is negative 1, times negative 7x gives me 7x. Negative 4 times y is negative 4y. And then again over here we can divide, that's negative 1 times negative 65, which gives us a plus 65. So I hope that helps, buddy. Let me know if it doesn't.